Sunrise over the Twin Towers, September 11th, 2001. Just hours before everything changed forever. This hauntingly beautiful photograph captures the World Trade Center, bathed in the light of dawn. A moment frozen in time, just before the world stood still. For many Americans, that morning began like any other. But as the sun rose over New York City, history was already in motion. This image is not just a sunrise. It's the final peaceful breath of an era we will never forget. Take a moment. Remember where you were and honor those we lost. Real photo taken the morning of 9/11. No filters, no edits, just history. That's not the sunrise. It's humanity going too far. July 12, 1958, Bikini Atoll. An American bomber drops the bomb, and within seconds, the sky ignites into hell. A mushroom cloud, towering higher than the Eiffel Tower. The Pacific begins to boil. It was a rehearsal for the end of the world, and it happened right on schedule. In 1943, Hoon Lim, a Chinese sailor, found himself alone in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. After a German U-boat torpedoed his ship, he survived and spent 133 days adrift on a wooden raft. He drank rainwater, caught fish with a handmade hook, and fought off sharks. To this day, it remains one of the longest recorded cases of survival at sea. This wasn't a mask. It was a symbol of fear. The Plague Doctor, 17th through 18th century. A leather suit, a long black cloak, and a terrifying beak. Filled with herbs, lavender, mint, rosemary. Back then, they believed disease spread through foul air. The scent inside the mask was their last hope of protection. He walked streets where even rats dared not go. Every breath, a mix of spices and dread. Every step, straight into death. 1929, the beginning of the Great Depression. This old man isn't just sweeping up paper. He's gathering the remains of millions of shattered hopes. Yesterday, these stocks were worth fortunes. Today, they're not even worth a match to burn them. America didn't collapse in a day. It fell with a single click on the New York Stock Exchange floor. And he just sweeps, as if trying to erase history itself.